Looks really nice. Healthy food, eh? Healthy for somebody who's on diet.
Yes, you.
Am I on diet?
Salmon.
You think my diet will stay for a few days? Baby का नाम है baby ना? What's baby called?
Annabelle.
Annabelle. Is our new person in our family? Old
Got
person.
her when I was 2 years old, or like when I was really young.
When you were really young, alright. You're young, aren't you?
My first ever doll. This is my first ever doll.
First ever doll. What do you think?
A cookie.
Cookie. Can I
It's
have
half in.
baby's gonna eat? Kase? Baby?
Actually, no.
Yeah.
So last time, I had this one house I tried to feed her Skittles, actually, and I put it in her mouth.
You
And
actually put it on mouth.
Look, and the stain's still in there.
Yuck.
No, don't do it again.
That's no good idea, is it?
And now it turns grey. And like purple, turns grey.
Is old food for me?
We've been there for a year.
Can I eat some? Can I have some?
What?
Food.
Yeah, you're eating food right now. This food. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, because I just made up magically appear.
Yes, salmon and fish. क्या इसका नाम है? Salmon? Salmon?
Salmon.
Salmon no is salmon. Is it fish? Baji salmon.
Salmon.
Baji salmon.
Salmon.
No. Salmon.
Salmon. Look, salmon.
It's healthy food.
That's salmon. Salmon.
सो एक टाइम है जी माड़े जे मोटे मोटे बंदे वास्ते है कि मैं अपना वजन घटाने वास्ते तको ये तो पेप्सी मैक्स है ना इसने बिचाने कोई नहीं है क्या नहीं इसने जो
Sugar.
नो शुगर है
No.
इसने
No.
नो तो इसने शुगर को नहीं है तो इसने विच ये जी बाकी ये चीज़ है ना ये तो पता है हेल्थी है माशाल्लाह तो ये तो कोई भी हेल्थी चीज़ है सारा हेल्थी फूड खाना है
Why the four? Dad, why the four?
Four.
There's 4 cans of Pepsi. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2 for me.
Hmm.
1 Pepsi for you, 1 for your mom, and 2 for me. I'm hungry, you know. I'm on diet, so I can have 2.
Thirsty.
I'm hungry and thirsty both.
Mom, Dad
Pablo?
put his phone in the food.
She knows.
He put his phone in the food. That's what.
Milk really nice, Amna.
Dad, I need that. I need that pot.
Need what?
That pot there for.
Why you need for?
Am I gonna get some stuff on it? Those pretzel looking things.
That thing.
Pretzel looking things.
This thing.
Yes.
This thing, yeah?
Yes.
There you go, have it. Let me eat my food now.
You're almost the same.
What?
These.
This made really nice.
My mother made it. My mom made it.
Your mother made it. No, my daughter's mother made it. I
And
made
your
it.
daughter.
I made it.
They did.
Of course I made it.
Stop lying.
I do whole housework, you know. It's me.
Yeah.
I clean house. I make fishes. I make roti. I make andi. What your mother does nothing. Your mother just
What
told.
my father does nothing.
Your
What my
mother-
brother does everything.
Right, what?
What I do everything.
Who makes roti?
What my brother does nothing.
Who makes roti?
Me?
Excuse me. You don't even know how to cook food.
Excuse you.
Oh,
I do not cook roti.
you don't.
Do. So first you have to make the atta.
Okay, and then
You make it into a
then you
circle.
eat atta.
No, then you make it into a circle
Uh huh.
with a lot of flour on top at the same time.
Uh huh. And
No, not flour, like, you know what I mean, don't you?
no.
That thing.
You said I know nothing, so how do I know?
You know that thing?
What thing?
Tissue.
Making roti for me? I don't think so. We're not eating roti today.
Then give me another one.
We just eat having that.
Give me that another one.
Why the one?
Because that was the opening here and another one.
You can't. Oh God! You can't open that other one. You're able to open. I mean, come on.
that.
You open it finally, eh? Finally.
Open this one.
Finally, my teacher
Open
is
this
not
one
for
for you?
yes.
Open this one for you.
No, I'm okay.
Dad, this is mine first. This is the same one as this is mine.
What?
This is
Why
mine.
you open two, Amina?
This is yours.
Customer, you are.
Dad, take it. It's yours. They're my third.
You know, you are such a girl. Look, mommy's here as well. Without food.
She made the food. I opened that for him.
I know how to open that thing, you know.
Yeah, no you don't. Yeah, I know.
I can make tea, you know that.
Yeah, no you don't.
You do with your plates.
Amina, I can make
I'm
tea.
just gonna have some things. You don't need that plate.
माशाल्लाह जी, अल्लाह ज़िंदगी दे बनाने वाली को। अल्लाह का लाख लाख शुक्र है उस ज़ात का जिसने इतना अच्छा खाना दिया। ये बड़ा ज़बरदस्त बना हुआ है माशाल्लाह। और अल्लाह मेरी बेटी को भी ज़िंदगी दे और अल्लाह सब बेटू को सबको ज़िंदगी दे और अल्लाह सब देखने वालों को भी ज़िंदगी दे, खुश रखे, ईमान दे। हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करते रहिए और हमें अपने दुआओं में याद रखिए। और अब वक्त आ गया है कि आपसे इजाज़त ली जाए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।